Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the error. To run this application, you first must install one of the following versions of the .NET Framework. This issue usually happens when the required .NET Framework version is not installed on your system or is outdated. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, open any browser or search engine. Like I am opening Google Chrome. Now go to the search bar and type .NET Framework download and then press enter. This will show you multiple results related to different versions of the .NET Framework. After that, you will see many websites, but click on the first link which looks like the official Microsoft download page. Make sure it is the official website so you download the correct and safe file. Now open it. After that, scroll down. Here you will see multiple versions of the .NET Framework. Firstly, check your error message carefully and see which version is required. For example, in my case, version 4.0 is required, so I will select that version. If the version is listed under out of support, you can still download it if your application specifically needs it. So click on that version. Now scroll down again. Here you will see two types of installers, web installer and offline installer. The web installer requires an internet connection during installation, while the offline installer contains all the files and works without needing additional downloads. So we will download the offline installer because it is more reliable and avoids errors during installation. Now click on the runtime option. After a few seconds, the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the application file. Now it will start extracting the files. This step prepares all the required components for installation. After that, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Just click Next and proceed with the installation steps. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish. This will install the required .NET Framework version on your system. Now try opening your application again, and the error should be completely fixed. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.